I need a lot of paint in this. This is my mixed split cup. And a bit of the red. So I want some silicone in there. Just a drop in each one, not a lot. Just going to stir that a little. Just to make sure that's distributed. So we've got that. I'm just going to put that to the side for a minute. So I've got my two canvases. They're already painted black, but I'm going to add some of the black paint to it. I want a base to it. Just need this to be a thin layer for what I'm doing, so I don't need loads, but I need it to float the colour on top. It doesn't need to be a full pillow, but just a layer. And swap them over for a moment. So I'm putting this set of colours in a stripe all the way across both. Hopefully that is enough. And then what I'm going to do is flip it over so the two are face to face. There we go. Press it down. Press it down. And I'm going to stand it up and make sure they are pressed together all the way through from both sides. Okay, are we ready for this? I hope you can see this sufficiently. Let's just move these across just a little bit. And I'm going to torch them. That's more interesting. And that is going to develop. I like these. Much nicer. And they're not the same. Different colours have come out in different quantities on each of them, which is rather lovely.